Airborne science, we study all kinds of different weather. Lightning is obviously a very big part.
First name Alistair, last name Ma. Engineering technician / crew chief.
It's very exciting to be working with the ER2. My role is to design a flight campaign that can put us over thunderstorms as much as possible.
We got to get as much as the nitrogen out of the system as possible.
We are hunting for gamma rays from thunderstorms known as terrestrial gamma ray flashes.
So doing this research helps us learn more about how lightning forms and reacts with Mother Nature.
We are hunting for gamma rays from thunderstorms. These gamma rays can come in two forms. One are low energy, long-lived things called glows, sort of enhancements in the background radiation. And then within those glows, you have things known as terrestrial gamma ray flashes, or TGFs. And they're very powerful emissions of radiation from thunderstorms.
In order to go and observe these TGFs, we are using the ER2 aircraft, which is a high altitude, high endurance aircraft. So it gives us the ability to fly a distance away and stay over those targets of opportunity for a good amount of time so that we can make those observations.
One of the first things we're going to do when we come into work is let the instrument teams get about an hour. They're going to go through their instruments, make sure everything's working correctly, do their pre-flights, along with us doing our pre-flight.
So IceStorm is an instrument to detect gamma rays from these energetic events from thunderstorms. What we hope to find is to understand the energy of these photons, and that gives us insight into the energetic processes that happen in these gamma ray flashes.
Naturally, when they dial in pressure, the head will go up